How's it, TOV family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. A round of applause to those who joined us over the week. You guys are just amazing. I want to thank every single one of you for your continued support for this channel. Continue liking the videos, sharing the videos, subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Let us beat YouTube's algorithm. My sincere apologies for not putting out a video last week. A few things happened that was beyond my control, but we're back. I've been thinking of ways to make these videos more interesting and interactive. So from now on, our videos are going to include something I call random tech facts and a little of tech trivia. If you know the answers to the trivia questions, let us know in the comment section. Maybe at some point we'll be giving out prizes for the correct answers, but for now, let's just have fun with it. Alright, let's go see the piece we're going to be reviewing today. Come on. Okay, this is what you get in the box. A nice slimline case, not much to it. It's got the QCY name on it with what I want to believe is a charge indicator. Micro USB charging. Let's see if these are indicator lights. There you go, green indicator lights. Really isn't much to the case, but it does look really good though. It's a nice case. I like the fact that it doesn't have a lid. All right, let's do a shake test quickly. So these are not going anywhere. It is solid. It's not even shaking a little bit. Solid. Well, I expect the magnet should be really good, seeing as it doesn't have a lid. Okay, let's try that. Ooh, that's a strong magnet. Very strong magnet. Okay, put it on the side. See what's here. Oh, it's got microphone on both, so using them independently, I'm guessing it's really gonna be good. Okay, now let's just take this out. Okay, it's a nice design. Let's see how this fits. This is the left, the right. Let's see how this fits. Oh, pretty comfortable. Okay, now I'll show you what it looks like. It is comfortable though. It is very comfortable. Okay, that's a good start. Very comfortable. All right. I think this uses an app, so we might have to download the app first. Okay, the app is set up. This took, I don't know, say about 5 minutes. You might need to, you are going to need to allow some permissions and stuff on it. You would also need to create an account, the username and the password for this, and then it brings you here. Okay, now I've switched on both the earphones, the earbuds. I'm sorry. Now I need to connect. I'm trying to pair them now, and there's the pairing there, just like that. That is that is amazing. It's wow, that was fast. Okay, it says more settings. Let's see what settings it is. Okay, now I have an option for the right and the left. I'm guessing this means O. If I tap once, oh, you have the option to set up the control, the touch control on it. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm setting up the left end to tap once to play and pause, to double tap. Let's say, what do we want double tap to be? Let's say double tap should be volume control. Yeah, let's decrease the volume on the left. And triple tap, let's say skip track backward. Okay, and right one tap should be play and pause. double tap, let's give that a volume increase to on the right, and triple tap, let's skip forward. Okay, I think we're all set here. Wow, that is great. That is really cool. Okay, let's see how this sounds. So press once and it's playing. Ooh, that's loud. I can hear it from here. Ooh. Wow. Oh wow, that is really good. Reminds me of the F9 earbuds. Wow. The sound is amazing. It's so clear, and the low tones are actually very clear. Okay, all right. Okay, wow. Okay. This is the first time I'm coming across this brand. It is actually very good. It reminds me of the F9 earbuds. It's an earbud I think I also made a review on it. If you check the playlist, I'm sure you'll find it. I did do a review on that. It reminds me of that. It is so clear. It is really clear. The sound production on this thing is really good. Oh wow, I'm really impressed by this. QCY, I mean, oh, I've never come across this before. This is my first time. This is really good. I was so surprised. Some of these things, wow, it is really good. All right, let's try the controls. Wow, let's try the controls. Okay, we tap once, plays, and tap again, and it pauses. Same thing on the left. Excellent. Now let's double tap, increases the volume. Yeah, and double tap on the left, decreases the volume. Excellent. Triple tap on the right takes us to the next song, and triple tap on the left excellent. Okay, wow. Okay, wow, this is really good. The sound from this thing is really good, and I like the fact that I can increase and decrease the volume from the earbuds without touching the device, the phone, I mean. It's good, because sometimes I think that is the downside of some of the earbuds I've tested. Some of them you cannot decrease the volume or increase it from the earbud. You have to do it from your phone or whatever device you're listening on. But with these, you can actually decrease and increase the volume from the earbud, which is very good. The bass on this thing is very good. The vocals are so clear, even the low tones, because the song I'm listening to has got some really low a cappella tones on it, and it is really good. I use this song because I feel like it's got the range on the song. It's good. It's good for me to test. Standby time for this is 70 hours. Continuous play is 4 hours. Charge time 2 hours. I am very impressed. With some of these things, you never know what you'll get. This is worth the buy. Please buy this stuff and tell me what you think about it. If you're in South Africa, you probably will get it from takealot.com. So try takealot.com if you're in South Africa. Somebody buy this, test this out, and please tell me what you think. Your honest opinion. You'll be very surprised. This is really good. I am very impressed. Well, there you have it. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to like the videos, share them on your social media platforms, subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet, And next week, I'm going to be revealing the answers to the trivia questions. For those of you who put out a request for some special videos you'd like to see, be patient. Until next time, take care.